Hey there. Trying to find an employee without using a professional recruiting company is sort of like cooking with a blindfold on. You'll probably not know where to start or even what you might need. Or what the end result will look like. And this could potentially be a scary situation. Thankfully, you can trust the experts here at Glo Resources when you are looking to hire your next employee. We'll make sure you're looking in the right direction, we'll give you some options to choose from, and the end result is sure to please your palate. So call Glo Resources. We'll have you cooking with grease in no time.